Turns out a little C thing came off here. I don't think it came off when I had it, but it was missing. So I had this piece of wire which is really stiff stuff. I mean, it doesn't want to bend much. If it bends, it's going to stay there. So I made a little thing here. It fit right in the groove nicely, and it should hold it. So we're ready to pop rivet again, but we're done, and we're ready to try the chainsaw out. And the handle's looking good. Okay, let's try starting it, and then I need to go to a meeting, but afterwards we'll try cutting some wood.